Alan, welcome to this very special event aimed at our partners in the Gulf who suddenly are much closer than before, even if we can't yet meet in person. How would you sum up the main characteristics of Israel's digital health ecosystem?
Thanks, Matthew. Israel's digital health system is really a thriving ecosystem. You're really marrying the leading technology of Israel with a world-class healthcare system. And as a result, we have over 600 companies that are actively pursuing digital health innovative solutions. You combine that with over $300 million of investment by the government in digital health companies and innovative projects. Plus you have a number of leading HMOs with health records for more than 25 years and are looking to collaborate and innovate with these digital health companies. And the result is really a digital health nation that is leading the way in adopting and building the next generation of digital health solutions.
And in that ecosystem, which Israeli startups would you highlight as the standout examples of the kind of medical innovation you're describing?
There are a number of very exciting companies. It's of course hard to narrow the focus to just a few. I'll first start with Zebra Medical. Zebra is really a leading deep learning medical imaging and analytics company with 6 FDA approvals for its algorithms and products. And it was named one of the 10 most innovative companies to work for by, most innovative health companies of 2020 by Fast Company magazine. And Zebra is leading the way with innovative solutions in the field of radiology, applying AI and machine learning to develop these next generation solutions. Another company I would point out is TytoCare. Tyto has an FDA approved and CE marked medical device that is used by patients remotely to diagnose things like ear infections, sore throats, upper respiratory infections. It's a turnkey telehealth solution that has grown rapidly during the COVID-19 pandemic. Then of course there's Identify. Identify is the first end-to-end e-genetic counselor that is both medical grade and consumer friendly, so used by genetic counselors in the interpretation of genetic test results, but also available to consumers to understand and learn about their genetic test results. There's a company, CyberMDX. Of course, Israel is known as the home for cybersecurity technology and solutions. CyberMDX is applying AI to prevent cyber attacks and to identify vulnerabilities in connected medical device within hospitals and home networks. And finally, I would point out Medaware, which is the leading AI patient safety platform that both eliminates patient errors, prescription errors that for medication that is inappropriately prescribed to patients, and it prevents adverse drug events, which is a leading cause of injury and in cases death as well, and also is now being deployed in the fight against opioid abuse. So those are just a handful of very exciting digital health companies based here in Israel.
It's an impressive lineup by any standards. Where do you see the future development of Israel's digital health startups, and why would that be of particular interest to partners, entrepreneurs, or investors?
So the future is quite bright for Israeli digital health companies. Their solutions continue to be adopted more and more widely across the globe. And what's exciting for us is the opportunity to bring these technologies to the UAE, to partner around bringing these new solutions and adapting them to the local conditions in the UAE hospitals and the market environment, and innovating together and developing new solutions and new ideas and new digital health products that will ultimately be useful globally. So we see this as a perfect opportunity for many digital health companies to innovate, work closely with partners in the UAE, and really bring forward solutions that will make a lasting impact.